If your Windows is stuck in a repair loop showing startup repair could not repair your PC or it is stuck on the Windows logo, then this video will help you to fix it step by step. If you are already on the automatic repair screen, click advanced option. But if you are stuck on the Windows logo, first shut down your PC 3 times when logo appear. This will automatically open the automatic repair screen. Then click advanced option, go to troubleshoot, advanced option again, startup settings, restart. Press 4 or F4 to enter safe mode. If it boots successfully, install any recent app or driver. Reboot again to go to normal mode. If it doesn't boot, move to the next fix. Number 2. Install recently update. Go to the troubleshoot, advanced option, install update. Now remove latest quality update. Or feature update. Then click continue to Windows and check if the issue is fixed. Number 3. Command prompt method. Open command prompt from advanced option. First, identify the Windows drive. Type dir space c clone. Press enter. If you see Windows folder and program file are present there, that means your Windows is installed on the C drive. But if you don't see the Windows folder and program folder are present there, then try the next command. Type dir space d clone. Press enter. If not, try dir space e clone. Press enter and continue like that. Check each drive until you find that one which contain Windows file or program file. First, repair Windows image. Type this command dism space / image clone c clone / space / cleanup hyphen image space / restore health and hit enter. Be patient, it will take some time to complete. Second, type this command sfc space / scannow space / offbootdir equal to c clone / space / offwindir equal to c clone / Windows. This command will scan and repair corrupted Windows system file in offline mode. Wait few minutes, it will take some time. And all the commands mentioned in this video are available in the video description. One more tips, if your / is not working like mine, then hold the Alt key and type 9-2 on your numpad and release the Alt key. It will insert the / symbol. After execute the command, exit the CMD and try booting. If it doesn't fix your issue, then follow the next method. Number 4. Boot repair command. Run this one by one. Bootrec space / fixmbr. Hit enter. Second, bootrec space / fixboot. If it show access denied, then try this command bootsect space / nt60 space sys. Hit enter. Then bootrec space / rebuild bcd. Hit enter. Now restart and check your PC. If it fixes your issue, then you don't have to go to the next fix. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then follow the next fix. Number 5. Advanced boot repair, most powerful method. Type disk part, then list disk. Now select the disk where your Windows installed. In my case, it is the disk 0. So the command will be select disk 0. One more thing to notice, if you do not see the star mark in the GPT column, that means your system is running in legacy BIOS mode. In that case, do not use that UEFI command. Follow the legacy command which I'll show next. But if you see the star mark in the GPT column, that means your system is using UEFI mode. In that case, follow this command. Type list space volume. Now, identify the EFI partition. Very important. Look for this 3 sign. EFI partition is always on FAT32 format, typically around 100 MB to 300 MB. Sometime up to 500 MB. Info column may say hidden. In my case, volume 2 is my EFI partition. So, type this. Select space volume space 2. Now type assign space letter equal to V. Exit V clone, hit enter. CD space EFI /Microsoft /boot. Hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot. Hit enter. If access denied appear after this command, don't worry. Just run bootsect space /NT60 space SYS. Hit enter and try again. Bootrec space /fixboot. If it still doesn't work, skip that step and directly use bcdboot command. Type bcdboot space C clone /Windows space /S space V clone space /F space UEFI. Hit enter. This rebuild boot file completely. It's more powerful and fixes the bootloader completely. After execute the command, exit the CMD and try booting. If it fixes your issue, then you don't have to go to the next fix. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then follow the next fix. Number 6. Rebuild BCD manually. Follow this command if your PC on legacy boot. How do you know that? I already explained that. If you don't see the star mark in the GPT column, that means your system is in the legacy BIOS mode. Then type bcd edit space /export space C clone /bcd _ backup. Hit enter. Now type attrib space C clone /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s. Hit enter. Now type this. REN space C clone /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Now type bcdboot space C clone /window. Type all the spelling accurately, otherwise you may face an error. If you face any error, then try that command again. If it's successfully executed, you will see this message. Boot file successfully created. This will help to rebuild BCD manually. But if you face any type of error, then run this command. Otherwise, it's not necessary. Type bcdboot space C clone /Windows space /S space C clone space /F space BIOS. Hit enter. It rebuilt all the required Windows boot file. Final option, reset PC. If nothing works, go to reset this PC, choose keep my file. Your personal file stays safe, but app will be removed. Now, you will see 2 options. Number 1, cloud download. This option, download a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft server and install it. It works very well if your system are corrupted or your PC facing error, but it requires a stable internet connection. Number 2, local reinstall. This option reinstall Windows using the file already stored on your PC. It faster and work without internet. It may fail if your system file are damaged. I think cloud download is the best suitable option for this type of scenarios. That's it. This step should fix most Windows boot issue.